Hello everyone, I'm Ivan Estrada with Douglas Elliman here in Los Angeles. And the question that I've been getting all week is, will a recession cause a housing crisis like it did in 2008? So my background is in accounting. I'm a CPA by trade, so I'm all about facts and figures, especially the facts. And I was able to find an amazing website, keepingcurrentmatters.com, where I was able to find a lot of valuable information to keep you informed about what's going on in the market. Now, before we begin, let me start with an analogy. Let's look at 2008 like a tornado. It came through our town, ripped up infrastructure, buildings, lighting poles, and it took us a really long time to rebuild. Now let's look at coronavirus 2020. Let's look at that more like a global snowstorm. It's going to keep us in for the next 30 to 60 days, but once the snow melts, we're going to be ready to go again. I don't know about you, but I cannot wait to see my friends, my family, go out to restaurants, games, and really start living again, which is what we feel is going to happen after this whole pandemic within the next 30 to 60 days. So let's look at graph number one. So Goldman Sachs put out a GDP graph that goes from quarter one to quarter four. Quarter one, it was already decreasing. Quarter two, a sharp decrease because of the pandemic. And then there's a sharp increase in quarter three and in quarter four. Now the difference between this graph now and the graph back in 2008 was that the graph in 2008 was U-shaped. It went down. We stayed down there for a while until we rebuilt, and then we slowly went back up. This was more of a V shape, so we're going down, and then there's a sharp increase. The next slide is from the Wells Fargo Investment Institute. It states, "We do not expect a repeat of the severe recession of 2008 and 2009 because the virus and oil sharks are not endemic to the financial systems but are rather external. Once the virus infection rate peaks, we expect a recovery to gain momentum into the final quarter of the year and especially in 2021. The next slide is from CoreLogix, and they went back and did a graph of the last 5 recessions. As you can see, 3 of those recessions, prices of homes actually increase. And lastly, here's a slide from PricewaterhouseCoopers, where it shows that it's probably going to take us about 1 to 3 months to get back to normal after the coronavirus pandemic has been dealt with. Of course, this is going to depend on the type of industry and in what part of the world you're located in. We are definitely going through some very challenging times, and I will do my best to keep you with the most relevant and up-to-date data. As you know, information is changing not daily, but hourly, so I will do my very best to keep you informed. And for more information on what I just spoke about now, go to www.keepingcurrentmatters.com, or you can always reach out to me at ivan@ivanestradaproperties.com.